Hey guys, I just received a Seagate 16TB hard drive and I wanted to open it, but thought just make a video or something. I don't have a fully functional studio, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, so that is the box. So I imported that from Germany. It was sale in Amazon, then I received it like in 31% off, so around $500 AUD. So I'm going to open it now. Not the best unboxing video right out there, but just bear with me. Normally I think it's $800, $850 or something, and it was 31% off on Amazon, and I got it for $500. So yeah, so this is the box, and it's compatible with Windows and Mac. I don't have a Mac, but I'll try to test it out in Windows and Linux. So let's get the seal off. Yep, it's quite small than I thought, but yeah. Then that's the hard drive. And we've got some power cable, I think. Yep, we've got some cables. That's hard drive cable to USB-C. There are quite some adapters over here. So the one we need is this one, the Australian one, and we don't need this, and that's the power cable. Okay. So we had range of options. I think started from 10, the One Touch one that started from 10 terabyte and goes up to 20 terabyte, and I got the 16 terabyte because it was way cheaper than any others. So yeah, so let's start from here. So I'll just around. We got some ports, USB-C I guess, and then USB 3, USB-C, and that's the hard drive and this power cable. I'll stop the video here and just try to plug it in the computer, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I've got this powered on. I'm just going to plug the USB-C from the hard drive. Yep. So it's booting up. Oh, it's making sound. Okay, so out of 16 TB, we got only 14.5 TB of usable space. Okay, we've got start here win. Let's start that. Seagate product registration. So we need to register our product. So I'll go through this one and meet you guys after once I finish. So it does work in both Windows and Linux. I've tested it, but unfortunately I couldn't test in Mac. But yeah, so if you are looking to extend your hard drive and get a new one, maybe try getting Seagate One Touch help. Although it's not a paid promotion, but I've been using Seagate. It's a reliable uh, drive option. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you.